Every spring, people spend a lot of time and money trying to get rid of dandelions. But did you know this pesky weed is actually a hidden treasure? Today, we are learning all about the amazing dandelion. We might call it a weed today, but for a long, long time, people thought it was magical medicine and healthy food. Let's find out why. Despite being treated as a weed in residential lawns, dandelions are a profitable specialty crop. The leaves are grown and sold in grocery stores and farmers' markets as a nutrient-dense bitter salad green. The large taproots are harvested, dried, roasted, and ground to create a popular caffeine-free coffee alternative. The yellow flower petals are commercially harvested to produce dandelion wine, and the roots are a traditional flavoring ingredient in botanical sodas like root beer, alongside burdock. The most significant future economic potential for dandelions lies in sustainable manufacturing. A specific species, the Russian dandelion, Taraxacum coxsackie, produces a milky latex sap in its roots that can be processed into high-quality rubber. Major tire manufacturers are currently investing millions into farming these dandelions as a sustainable alternative to tropical rubber trees, which are vulnerable to disease and climate shifts. The plant has a long history in herbalism, which has translated into a modern supplement market. Dandelion root and leaf extracts are manufactured and sold globally in pills, tinctures, and tea. The pharmaceutical and supplement industries market these products primarily as diuretics and to support liver and gallbladder function. Because they bloom very early in the spring, dandelions are a crucial fast food source for commercial honeybees. They help sustain bee colonies before other crops bloom, directly supporting the honey and pollination industries. In regenerative agriculture, their deep taproots are valued for breaking up compacted soil and drawing deep minerals like calcium and phosphorus, reducing the need for artificial fertilizers.